Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add new products on your Shopify store. So if you just created new account, you will see this option. You can add new products with a sample product. You can just click this one. And after that, in this page, as you can see, there is the sample product. You can edit your title and you can add your description product, and also you can add more images or video, and you can add image from your computer like this. You can choose the image you want. Also you can choose the image from the sample image from your Shopify dashboard, or you can also add a video. So for the example, I will add a video from my image gallery, from my media gallery. So let's try this one and click done. So it's added a new video, and also you can choose the category, also the pricing. You can put the price and also the discounted price, and also you can put the cost per item, so you can calculate the profit and the margin. Let's try this one. Also you can put the quantity and also the shipping, the weight for the product, and also you can add the variants of your products. And also, so this is the preview of your products if someone saw it on Google. And then you can also choose the status, active or draft, it's up to you. And also you can add product organization. You can choose the type, the collection, and also the vendor. And then after that you can click save. Yeah, so that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.